I'm Anita Rafidi, the creator of Healing Cuisine, a revolutionary food company driven by love and a desire to serve. With the best interest of people and the planet in mind, we intend to literally build communities from the ground up and to help people care for their health through the food they eat. Our goal is to create basic, staple, multi-purpose, healthy ingredients and to teach people how to cook simple, healthy meals for themselves, often from food they can grow at home.
Great.
You like mushrooms?
Yeah, I love mushrooms.
Okay, so this is vegan cream of mushroom soup. It's cream of tomato and mushroom, but I used our products in it, so I used some turmeric at the base, and then I used the go-to because I think go-to is going to be awesome for that.
Nice. Me too.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Good?
Yeah.
Currently, My Healing Cuisine sells at farmers markets with a plan to move into a food truck so people can taste our ingredients in simple, healthy vegetarian meals, the recipes for which will be available for free online.
Hey.
Are you going in the kitchen to work?
Yeah, I'm just going in right now.
Is Karina in there?
Rita's gonna go in after me. I'm just gonna make some spices, go-to and sesame easy.
Oh, awesome. Thanks. Hey. Hi, Karina. How's it going?
Good. It's going good.
Is it firming up the way it's supposed to?
Yes, well, it's getting nice and consistent.
My Healing Cuisine currently employs 3 people who live on shared rural land, providing them living wages, flexible work from home, and allowing them to live in a small community with a significantly reduced carbon footprint. Super. Gardens are all watered?
Oh, that was funny. Smudge came right up to him kind of
With the advent of the food truck, we'll be able to employ other community members to grow food, since we'll need fresh garden produce to create meals specifically featuring vegetables that are easily grown in our zone. The next step is to update our website with an online store and revamp our labels and branding. We would also like to create My Healing Cuisine recipe website and become fully dedicated to marketing and promotion.
I think it might be on the homepage.
Mission statement, our products.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
So it does.
Lastly, we would like to buy a land share in another community to house a commercial kitchen, enabling us to scale up to supply retailers in the online market while supporting the growth of another small community. In time, we plan to give away the food truck franchise to others who share the vision of service and community building, thus corralling the talents of many heart-centered cooks to help create an ever-growing assortment of health-promoting products and a potentially massive compendium of simple, healthy recipes to be shared with all.